Good evening, everybody. Coming to you today to tell you all thank you. Thank you very much. This is Marv from Bigdiesel. I got on my site today and I noticed that I'd hit over 8,000 likes. Instead of typing out a thank you letter to everybody, I thought I would personally tell you all thank you myself. I appreciate it. I really enjoy the comments that you guys give. Some of them are really colorful, and I enjoy them. You make this old fart happy. So you all be safe out there. You have a great day, and we'll see you all around. Thank you very much again. Bye.